Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to make a listing on eBay and Printful. So first you need a Printful account, eBay seller account, bank account, and a product design ready to upload. So here you have to create an account in Printful, and then you have to basically connect your Printful to your eBay. Tap on connect right here and then look for eBay. Now connect. And then you have to simply authorize eBay or permit eBay. Scroll down here and then tap on connect to eBay. Make sure that you have the seller account here on your eBay. So if you don't have, go to eBay and set up seller information, payment details, and return policy. So once you have connected Printful to your eBay, what you're going to do next is you can now create and customize a product in Printful. Here you have to look for that specific category. Let's just say you will be selling stickers on your eBay. So what you're going to do is design it inside the Printful or use Canva for designing. So you can use Canva for designing product. Canva is a free editing tool. You just have to look for design, drag the design to the blank page, and then edit. For example, this one. If you want to create logos, sticker, once done, tap on the share icon and then download your template or design right here. Go back to Printful, upload your design, and customize it using the mockup generator. You can resize and position your design. Select colors, sizes, and variants. Then you can click and proceed to mockup. Select one or multiple mockups, proceed to description. And then after that, proceed to pricing. You can set your retail price. Once done, tap on continue and you can publish this to eBay. So after pricing, click submit to store. Once you have connected your Printful to eBay, you can submit that product to your eBay store. Then Printful will send the product to your eBay store as a live listing. You can check your listing in your eBay Seller Hub listing. So when a customer buys your product on eBay, the order automatically appears in your Printful dashboard. Printful will fulfill, print, and ship it directly to the customer, and you will get tracking updates once shipped. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.